Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is the fourth video in this channel. As you know, it's a very brand new channel. Okay, so if you're just watching this or you're just coming across this channel, please do not leave without subscribing. Okay, and I beg of you, watch this video to the end. Okay. All right, this is the fourth day of my holiday getaway trip, and as you can see, I'm just trying to get my last feel of this place. Okay, and you can see here now I'm making a video of all the beautiful African aesthetics in the hotel area, and just trying to get my last feel of every part of the hotel. This is me at the lounge, okay, making some calls, and the plan is to actually leave this place today and head to a different hotel the next day. Okay, so if you're just joining this channel again, please like this video and subscribe. Join the Beagles family. My name is Bee, by the way, and this is the Bee's Hive. All right, as you can see in the video, I'm heading out, actually heading to my new hotel location, and I just got there. This is what the outdoor ambience look like just outside of the hotel, and I just got into the reception. I'm sorry that this filming was kind of upside down. That's because at this point I wasn't sure if I was allowed to do this. All right, so now I'm heading to my room in my new hotel. This is another beautiful aesthetic looking hotel, trust me. I have an eye for good quality, so trust me when I tell you that it's good. So this is what the inside looks like. Oh my god, I love this mirror by this wardrobe, by the way. Yeah, I'm going to give you a proper tour the following morning, but yeah, this is a tour, a mini tour right now. I just got here. This is the bathroom. Okay, wow, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I don't know what to say between this hotel and the previous one, which one I love the most. I really don't know, but I just know that I'm about to have a good time. Look at this mini fridge now. Oh my god, I just love how cute it is. You wouldn't even know that that's a fridge. Okay, so yeah, this is what the room looks like. Oh my god, I can't wait to just relax here. Okay, so this is just going to be my last relaxation points before I leave and head back to real life. Okay, so you guys, please share this video. I need subscribers, but just 8. Come on guys, I promise you guys, this place is going to be somewhere that you're going to love. You're just going to love watching my vlogs. All right, it is lunchtime, and this is what I'm having: okra soup with wheat, that is swallow. Oh my god, you guys, I can't even tell you how tasty that food was. Now dinner time. Look at what is written in this bag: good food brings people together. They are not lying, actually. People meet at good restaurants where they sell good food. Okay, so yeah, right. It brings people together. Now check out this salad. This is what I'm having for dinner. Oh my god, this brand, Blue Cana or Blue Cabana. Oh my god, these people are good with their salads. I've forgotten the name of the salad, but man, it was just everything. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the, what's it called again? Okay, so yeah, I'm just having a little mirror shenanigans before I head to bed. Okay guys, so now it's bedtime. Right now I'm testing out this bed lamp. I actually just discovered how it works. Now I'm heading to bed. Rise and shine, baby. It's a new day, guys. today I'm going to give you like a proper room tour, and after that I'm going to head out to the dining area for my breakfast, because unlike the previous hotel, breakfast is not served to your room. Okay, you just have to go get it. But first, a bottle of water. Okay, so now I'm giving you the proper room tour. Enjoy, guys. So as you can see, already downstairs having my breakfast with a glass of juice and a glass of water. Oh my god, this pasta tasted really yummy. So let me just show you again. Because it tasted so good, I'm like, oh, you guys need to see this again. Alright, this is the rest of the view in the lounge area. Okay. In case you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, I'm heading out for a meeting immediately after this breakfast. Yeah. If you've watched this video to this point, you are the real MVP. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. This is a night view of what the reception looks like and what the outside looks like. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.